Yo, you ever just look at an order and get mad? Like, this just makes me mad. Yo, yo, bro. Ah! Yo, I'm back, yo. Yo, so, can the fam, can team run it up, do me a favor? Hold on. Can team run up, do me a favor and hit the like for this. And it's going to the, check this out. Y'all don't believe me, check this out. I'm gonna show y'all something. This one right here, this is 3 orders. This one right here is going to the 4th floor. Check this out. 403. 403, it's going to the 4th floor. I got a lot of stuff to do, so please hit the like if you haven't already. Hit the daggone like and help your boy out, because this is outrageous. Let's get it. Hey, yo, we back, team running up. Most of y'all won't do this. Did I leave my car running the whole time? I didn't even shut my car off. But it's all good. That's the benefits of having a Prius. We ain't even waste no gas. But yeah, check this out. It's crazy in here, man. The first order, 7 waters, like big boxes and stuff. You see it's all back there. The first order is going to the 4th floor. 4th floor. Oh yeah, y'all know what time it is. Yup, we at Costco. Let's get it. You know what I'm saying? That last batch was painful, man. 4th floor, 7 waters, to the 4th floor. It was just painful. Then the second order on that batch was 2 orders to the 3rd floor, different building. Painful. I mean, you know, it's a rough start this morning. I mean, I woke up late. That's what you get when you wake up late, so I still did it. You know, we're at $42, and now I just swiped the $56 Costco double, 28 items, but it's like 13 miles. So let's try to rush this and bang it out real quick. There it is. All right. We're sitting at $89. It's 11 o'clock and we're at $89. So yeah, we gotta run it up. This is bad. This is not a good start. It's because I started so daggone late in all those daggone waters on the first order. But we about to swipe a banger. Watch this. We about to run it up. We gonna make over 300 today, guaranteed. Let's get it. We back at Costco. Just swiped the 44 double, 26 items, 7 miles. This is gonna put me at $133 for the day. So we're gonna try to bang this out real quick if I can find parking. Come on, Costco. We're gonna definitely hit over 300. Yo, fam, how y'all been, by the way? You know, hit the like. We about to start getting real juicy on this YouTube channel. Man, I've been gone for a little bit. I know, man. I've been gone for like 2 weeks. I'm just chilling, man. I do YouTube when I want to have fun. I really don't do it for the income, but we're gonna talk about some big major goals this year. We're gonna talk about some major goals. We're gonna hit some figures. I'm explaining that. I'm gonna explain that later though. Stay tuned. Bada bang, bada boom. Easy shot, easy shot. You know what I'm saying? Crush that. Making space in my Prius right now to let's load this up and deliver this. Let's get it. It is 12 o'clock and we're at 134. So bad. Such a bad day, to be honest with you guys. I hit 134 before Costco drop, and it's 12 o'clock and I'm at 134 right now. So this is not too great, but we still gonna run it up. How the heck did I come in this neighborhood? All right, team, running it up. We back at the store. Swiped another 44. Let's get it. No sit time. I was driving back and I swiped this. That's exactly what we want. 0 sit time. That turnaround time. That's what we need. Let's get it. All right, so there it is. We crushed it, right? And you know what's crazy? Every store besides Costco sucks for inventory right now. Like, we have nothing, and There's a lot of replacements going on. There's a lot of refunds going on because we had a snowstorm and we got another one coming. And the COVID and all that stuff, it's just getting crazy out here, man. Yeah, hopefully the price stays at what it is. Let me pack this up and keep it going. Let's get it. Let's get it. That turnaround time. We back at Costco. Just swiped a $36. It's 9 miles, but that's all good. $36 double, 14 items. That turnaround time, I haven't even sat still once. I've been running it up with small orders. So we got to go in here and crush it. I had to park mad far away. I don't think I was even in there for 15 minutes. Ran it up quick. Let's get it. I'm about to deliver this. That's that turnaround time. Let me hurry up. That order was easy, and I had to go to the gas station. We at the gas station right now. While at the gas station, I just swiped a 58 Costco double. This one's gonna put me over 300, I think. We'll see. But I need to get a snack. I'm starving. I haven't ate anything yet. What time is it? It's 2:56 right now. I need some water and I need a snack. I haven't drunk or ate anything. They ain't even having no pistachios, man. This gas station's garbage. All I could get was some water, but that's all good. We'll eat after this batch. If I'm over 300. If I'm over 300, we'll eat after this batch. If I'm not over 300, we ain't eating. I'm just gonna starve until I hit 300. Let's get it. We out. We done. Quick money. Quick money. Time to load this up. Hey yo, team, run it up. What's poppin'? We are back at the office right now. It's been a minute. We back in motion though. We back in motion. We did 333 today. I'll put the numbers on the screen real quick. For those of y'all that are like professional mathematicians out there, you probably added up all the batches I showed you and you're like, wait a minute, Var, that doesn't add up to 333. Well, I had a crazy promotion today. I forgot to mention it was a $150 promotion. Guaranteed earnings of $150 if I completed 6 batches. So that helped a lot. I think I got like, I don't even know. I'm not even going to say a number because I don't know the exact number, but I got a little bump at the end of the day. So that my last batch was a 58 Costco, and that was the 6th batch. And so whatever my batch earnings were, if they didn't add up to 150, Instacart gave me the rest to make my Instacart batch earnings with my Instacart pay, not my tips, my Instacart pay to equal out to 150. So that's why I knew I was gonna hit it anyways too. Waking up late and everything, right? But anyways, we are back, fam. We running it up. Y'all see new office set up right now. Well, all this is the same. It's just a mess in here. Look, boxes everywhere. So we just bought some new computers and stuff. Check that out. That is fire. But I could edit faster now. Yeah, we got big things gonna happen this year, 2022. We're gonna have a lot of fun. I make videos on YouTube when I wanna have fun. You know what I mean? That's just what it is. But I plan on growing this channel huge this year. I plan on doing a lot of crazy stuff. I want to see how far we can push it. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe. Make sure you hit the like. And yeah, y'all know what we are about to do. We team run it up. If you're not running it up, what are you doing? Yo, hold up. One of the fam hit me up and told me like, yo, Var, where you been? You know, we got all these other gig workers out here, you know, talking about boasting and stuff, talking about they making 8K a month and blah, 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 door dashing and doing this and all this other. Yo, I challenge any one of these door dashers, Uber eaters, any one of them. Y'all want to go one-on-one with your boy? See how much we can make in a day? Who can make the most? Let's get it. Team run it up. You already know what it is. I'm signing out. Make sure you stay tuned for the next one. Oh, and if you haven't already, my other YouTube channels are in the link in the description. I'm running an experiment. I'm trying to get my new YouTube channels to 1,000 subscribers. Then I'm going to just post off the wall stuff on those channels, probably giving away money. Who knows, right? So make sure you go subscribe right now if you haven't already. Both channels, this one and the ones in below. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, that's what it is. Let's get it.